respected teachers, and my dear friends. I would like to welcome everyone for this seminar presentation. And first of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Suraj Kumar Prasad, and I am fourth year A semester student. And I have done this seminar under the supervision of Dr. Devajit Saha. And now coming to the seminar, my topic of seminar is night vision technology, and objective is to visualize the darkness, means to identify the object in darkness. Now, according to me, what is the most power? First of all, I would like to ask you that what is the most beautiful thing in this world? Can you guess, sir? Means, according to me, it is the natural world. Now, coming to the that every species, why it is natural world? Because every species has its importance and its special powers, as we can say. Now, means according to means I can prove it because human is the supreme in the world itself because it had the human brain. We know that none of the other creatures had it. Now, coming to the second next slide, that snake is also the poisonous species on the earth, and it has the special power in the poison itself, and none of the other species had it. Now, coming to the that shark, it is the supreme powerful in the aquatic species on the earth, means it is the supreme powerful in the water itself. Now coming to the next, it's lion. We know that it is a physical power, it has a huge power, as we saw as we are able to see on the screen also. Now coming to that elephant is the supreme powerful by its giant body because it is huge in shape and size. Now coming to that giraffe, as we know that it is the tallest species in the earth. Now coming to the second, next, that leopard, as we know that is the longest jumping species on the earth. None of the other creatures can do it. Now coming to the cheetah, it is the fastest running species on the earth. None of the other species can beat its speed. Now coming to the that even the some these are the special powers. Even some of the ordinary species also have this special power with them. As we know that bats, fishes, ordinary fishes, owl, these all have the special power means they can see at night. They didn't require means they are gifted by God that they have ability to see at night. Now in this PPT, I am going to tell you that why this species can see at night because they had the thick tissue known as tapetum lucidium. Now, as by the verbal, I know it is difficult to understand, so I have represented one pictorial view also, as we are able to see on that tapetum lucidium, that it is the thickmost portion on the red in the retina side. That the more thickness of the tapetum lucidum, then there will be the more vision we can say at night also without any type of distribution. Means why human can't see? Because human have very thin tissue in eye, that tapetum lucidum. Because human have thin and that all fishes and bats they have the thick tissue. Now coming to the next point, that does is possible to see at night, means like that animal also means human can see that by the help of science and technology it has been now possible by the help of the known as one technology known as night vision technology. Now coming to the next slide, that what do you mean by night vision technology? So it is a device that is used to intensify human sight under very low light conditions. Means, on there is only darkness, then also as they all can easily visualize and see. So simple human can also see everything at night also on low light conditions. Now night vision technology, on the screen you are able to see one binocular type device. It is a night vision technology goggles by which we can see at night also. Now coming to the next slide, this is the what is the view that night vision technology is able to see. As you can see that there are both image, visual image that the image that we are seeing by the naked eye, and the visual image on the rightmost corner, you are able to see that it is seen by the that means it is a visual image that is seen by the naked eye and thermal image that is seen by the night vision technology. As we can able to rectify that what is the clear cut image we can see, it is the application, it is the beautification of night vision technology. Now coming to the point that why vision technology was made, what is the requirement for it? As we are able to see that means on the for the defense purpose it was made. First in the Vietnam War it was invented, so night vision technology for the defense purpose to attack the enemy and all. So types of night vision technology. There are total two types of night vision technology. First of all is infrared imaging system. Second one is thermal imaging system. Now we will elaborate in our next slide. Working of the night vision technology. How it is working means ultimately, as we are able to see on the night itself, there are special lens that is made focus on the infrared emitted as the infrared light that is going to emit the body, and that create a detailed temperature pattern. By that we are able to create one thermogram, and it is done so quickly that is 1 by 30th second it is able to detector array. It has created one thermogram, and by the help of that we are able to, there are several points, there are several thousand points, we are able to detect that which point is hotter and which point is colder. By that we are able to visualize the image, and that image is transferred to the impulse signal to the signal processing unit. And as we are able to see on the screen also, there are some type of that in leftmost corner there are some type of process, signal processing unit. Signal processing unit, it decoded every information and every byte, and it simply represent that coded information in the pictorial format, and by that people are able to intensify what is the real object on that. Now coming to our next slide, that view of the night vision technology by goggles. If we are able to see the goggles of the human body, then what are the type of views that we are able to get? As we are seeing that there are different colors, means perfectly we can't determine, but approximately we can identify that there are humans and all. Now instruments and night vision technology means what are the devices that that is type of night vision technology, as I am displayed on the screen also. It is the screen, as we are able to detect one image also in that screen, that device, that the picture of house. Now by the goggles, as it is a CCTV cameras, as I have put, that is standard low camera, means only it is a simple low camera. Then it what is the image that is showing, that we are able to see the darkness. And by the starlight camera, means by the help of night vision technology, what are the graphical interface that we are able to create, where we can identify both the differences. Trending, it is implementing of the CCTV cameras and all for the benefit of people. Now according to me, what are the advantages of night vision technology? So first of all, the advantage is military purpose. Military, most of all, they use for the attack and so surveillance, for the doing the surveillance in the area. They use for the navigation to trace the object, whether it is, they use. Secondly, the wildlife observation, means as we know the wildlife, they didn't understand the what are the things and all, so we can visualize at night also whether what they are doing and all. Identify a hidden object detection also, whatever the hidden objects we can determine. For the entertainment purpose, means some of the people for the fun purpose also they used to do entertainment also. For the hunting purpose, hunting means they denote any type of criminal or the bad activities, means if there is any type of lions or any all in the coming to the residential places, and he is going to harm and all, and then we can do this type of by the help of the night vision technology, we can simply trace then that part, that animals, and we can hunt. And wireless control means it didn't require any type of wireless and all. So, and it is lightweight, means easy to carry, easy to, and it is portable and small in size. As it is small in size, so definitely we can carry and we can go to one places to other places also. And ultimately, now as we know that everything has its advantage and disadvantages also. What is the disadvantage of night vision technology? So it is the latest, so it is the expensive to purchase, and it can't be means it can't be used on the rain and fog because it degrades its performance. And the poor image quality, means if there is any black color in behind, then simply it creates the poor image. And lack of color discrimination, in color we cannot identify what is the clearly or not, means we can only guess that, and there is type of man and there is type of animals and all. So required ongoing maintenance, means the maintenance we have to go only, means we have to do. And thermal imaging, means as we know that by the help of temperature distribution we can able to detect, but if the object is completely cold, then we can't be able to detect the object. And most important thing is the more than 200 chemicals are used to make the night vision technologies. Now, sir, I think that this is the seminar, my presentation, and whatever the due to the lack of time, I have prepared this much, and whatever the detailed structure I have already mentioned in my report card, you can go through it, sir. And I am waiting for your questions, sir. Thank you, sir, and have a nice day, sir. Waiting for your question.